Dear my students, the first paper, literary criticism. In the literary criticism, today we study what is criticism, nature of criticism, functions of criticism, and types of criticism. First, we go to study what is criticism. Literary criticism is the art of judging the literature. Criticism is the test of literature. If literature is an interpretation of life, criticism is an interpretation of literature. Criticism is like a lamp. Criticism is like a lamp which throws light upon the writers of the past and present. Past and present. Criticism has two functions. Those are interpretation and evaluation. During the different ages, one or other of these functions become more dominating. As a result of it, different types of criticism guide the future writers and expound their path. The writers write, but they are not aware of the merits and demerits of their works. So, the writer does not analyze or dissect what they write. So, as Walter Petter's definition may be remembered up here, he told, criticism is the art of interpreting art. Art of interpreting the art. Another great critic writer told, Thomas Carlyle, criticism stands between the inspired writers and those who hear the melody of words. In general, writer is one who narrates the adventures of his soul among masterpieces. Professor M.G. Bhate, in his Literature and Literary Criticism, lists no fewer than 15 types of criticism and told of here. Before we study the word of criticism. Etymologically, the word criticism derived from the Greek term kritikos, which means to judge or evaluate. Criticism means an exercise of judgment. And literary criticism means an exercise of judgment on works of literature. Literary criticism is the play of the mind on the works of literature. Literary criticism is the play of the mind on the works of literature. And its function is to examine the excellences and limitations of a work of literature and finally to evaluate its artistic worth. Thus, interpretation, evaluation and judgment are the main or the chief functions of literary criticism. Then we study some definitions of literary criticism. Or the great writers, they tells us what is criticism to see next class.